Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and are you tired of those old-fashioned blinds that don't look so great and don't even keep all the light out? Well, I have a great solution for you. These motorized shades from SmartWings are the absolute best. You have the option to add these corner blinds to keep even more light out, which is so convenient, especially in a nursery where you want it as dark as possible. And installation is so extremely easy. You just screw in those brackets on the top and set your blinds into place. They'll click right into place. Then you can charge it. And here's a closer look at the beautiful essential cream color that I got. So this remote control has 5 different channels on here, so you can operate 5 different blinds with this one controller. So this is how you would change the channel, and this is my number 2, and it operates that one, and my number 1 operates that one. The middle button will stop it wherever it's at. My favorite thing about these blinds is that you can also hook it up with your smart home devices. For example, we have Alexa, so I can say, Alexa, close nursery. When you make a group, it will automatically open or close both of them at the same exact time. But that's not all. You can also control them right from your phone. You can download the app and it's super user-friendly and intuitive to use. You can raise, lower, or pause your blinds. You can set schedules, favorite settings. You can hook it up to different third-party controls. As you see here, you have so many different options. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep the light out while still making your house look beautiful, clean, sleek, and elegant, definitely check out SmartWings. You won't be disappointed with the quality and function of these amazing motorized blinds, but that's just my point of view.